Hey, what are you doing? This is weird.
What's going on? No recording. I'm being nice.
Isn't it? No, you don't have to touch me, man.
Welcome to Littleton. How's it going, guys? Watching the Watchmen here, out with Amagansett Press. And today we're in a town called Littleton, New Hampshire, up in northern New Hampshire on the border with Vermont. And we're gonna walk around downtown here and see if these folks are camera friendly, or if we get hassled over walking around taking some pictures. So we'll see how it goes. It is Wednesday, August 24th, 2022. It is 2:39 p.m. and 77 degrees and partly cloudy. So pretty nice out today, and should be interesting to see how it goes.
Hey, making out there watching?
What's up?
What's happening? Welcome to Littleton, New Hampshire. So I say we start out on the shady side of the street.
Over there?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Cool.
And we'll see how it goes. Let's take a walk. Yeah, much better over here in the shade.
This is the Bank of New Hampshire here, and right there is the post office and federal courthouse.
Fire. Thank you for this. Life as it happens. Have a good day, guys.
Wow, look at this place. Foto Factory. Frames, prints, and signs. Reminds me when I was a kid, AP used to make signs. Always had these rolls of vinyl laying around somewhere.
Hey, how's it going? I watched on you.
Oh, do you? Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate what you guys do.
Thank you.
Right.
So this guy watches our videos. It's always cool to run into you guys.
What's up, guys? What are we
How
doing?
are you?
What are we up to?
Art,
What's that?
you work here?
I do.
Is
going
it
on?
your business?
What's going on? Please, no recording. I just want to know what's going on.
The guy from the Foto Factory comes out and says no recording. Come on, man, that's ridiculous.
No, it's not.
Isn't it? No, you don't have to touch me, man.
I'm just trying to be nice. I just want to know what's going on.
I try to be nice by coming out and telling me.
No. What's going on?
The guy from the photo shop in town just came out and said he doesn't want to be on camera.
I don't want to be on camera. I really don't.
Well, you walked right up to my lens and got 3 inches away from me.
I'm being nice.
Okay.
So, what's
Nice
going
is subjective. Right? But that's cool. I'll give you another shot.
on? Okay. Good afternoon. What's going on?
I don't know. You go first.
I just said good afternoon.
All right. So good afternoon. What's going on?
Thank you for coming.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anything else we can...
Do you actually take pictures?
I don't.
You know? That explains. That explains. And you're the owner of the business.
What can I do? Is there something I can do to help out?
No, not at all.
Have fun.
Not at all. You have a good day.
Thank
bud.
you for coming.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
What a weirdo.
Yeah.
Come up and get 2 inches from your face with a 5-foot tube in his hand, acting like a weirdo.
Yeah, he touched my shoulder. I'm gonna have to go home and wash my shoulder. No, he was. I don't know. You know, that's the kind of thing where people are being. That's what I call passive aggressive.
Yeah.
And I could not be understanding the meaning of passive aggressive, but I believe that's what that is.
Yeah.
I don't know. You come out. I'm being nice. I'm being nice. If you have to keep saying I'm being nice, you're probably not being nice. So I don't know, man. We Watchmen and I always give back the energy that we're receiving. So you know, if you come out friendly and relaxed, we'll be friendly and relaxed. If you come out like that.
Yeah, guys, I know he was trying to say he was being nice, and he didn't actively be aggressive, but I think, like AP said, passive aggressive. I mean, you come out of the store up to two complete strangers you don't know with a big 5-foot stick in your hand and get uncomfortably close to somebody. You know, kind of a weird approach. And then say you don't want to be on camera when you just walked up 2 inches from the lens and kept getting closer. Strange behavior to me, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments. First place in town to have an issue with taking pictures is the place called Foto Factory. Isn't that something?
Yeah, nobody else in town has said a word to us.
Yeah.
The photo guy. What is wrong with this guy?
You guys follow me everywhere. It's the beard.
You're irresistible. It's not the beard. I have one of my own. Thank you.
How's it going?
Let it duck lower than that.
Sorry.
And she said sorry. Some people are just nice.
What's that supposed to mean on the logo? It's peeling off? Your vinyl doesn't stick.
Oh, because they make stickers? Decals?
I don't know, do they? Oh yeah, it says stickers. Speaking of stickers, me and AP do have our own stickers that you guys can check out. Link to the store will be down in the description. So if you guys are interested, check it out.
Photo guy's got camera view.
What are we doing? Hello?
Oh, how's it
What are
going?
we doing?
Oh, just taking some video.
For what?
I'd rather not say, honestly. I'm just kind of...
Well, it's a private
Go on.
business. I think you have to say if you're going to take pictures of it.
I have to tell you what I'm doing to take pictures of...
Well, I would
The
think,
store?
hey, what are you doing? This is weird.
Is it weird? I don't know. Nice
All
day
right, well, have a good day.
out. Okay. You too?
This is weird. No, I think it's weird when you come out and ask people what they're doing on the sidewalk.
You guys taking photos, huh?
Yes, sir.
Video.
Eating some pizza, huh? Great shot.
Watch this. It'll be a good shot. I like good shots that show creativity.
You look like the guy from Barstool. You ever watch that? There
Yeah.
you go.
It's creativity, dude.
Now you just need a beer in your other
No,
hand.
now I should go picture.
There you go.
Yeah. It's all about the moments, you know?
It is.
Those moments when people are like, shit.
And moments
oh,
are
fuck.
fluid, man. They come and go. Right?
Time's very much an illusion, but photos be able to capture it.
That's it.
It's
I
history.
appreciate you, brother.
Yeah. You guys got a contact? That I can find you?
contact? No.
Yeah, somewhere I can find you for get some photography, some videography.
I don't live. I'm traveling. I don't even live in the area.
That's what it's for. To enjoy.
That's it. Beautiful day. Enjoy the pizza,
Cheers,
brother.
guys.
Appreciate you.
Have
Oh, blah, blah. Oh,
Sean Terhune, Fine Art Photography. This place is pretty cool. Some cool pictures out here on display.
Fine art photography.
You're not going to believe it, Al.
Yeah, ask him when he's looking.
It's closed. What?
That's the most natural solution.
Are you taking pictures of me?
Yes. Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna get a shot of this sign over here. Welcome to Littleton. Mascoma Bank. That's kind of cool. They got some tomatoes going here. Bank's been around since 1899. Wow, yeah, so they have the window open here, and you can see behind the teller's desk there. Not sure if you'll be able to see it with the glare, but that guy was standing at the teller counter there. Oh, they're closing the blinds on us now. Good move if they don't want people looking in. What's going on?
Can you tell me what you're recording for?
Oh, I'm taking a video.
I can tell. Truck. Why?
I can't hear you.
Why?
Why? Oh, I'm just taking video around town.
Okay, you're pointing your cameras at my vehicle and me without having asked.
Yeah, well, I don't know. You started a conversation with me, so I'm just... I was in the middle of
appreciate
filming
that,
and-
but you know, it's kind of invasive. It's a
Invasive?
little, like, curious as to why you're pointing pointing your cameras at people.
Yeah, I told you, I'm just taking some video around town, you know?
Are you doing this for a project? Obviously, you two have very expensive equipment. You're up to something.
Oh, I think that's a little invasive.
But that's silly logic.
Could you please just tell me
I
what
can
you're
say you
up
have a
to?
very expensive truck and you're up to something. What does that mean? Broad daylight with this massive camera in my hand, I'm up to something. That's silly.
Okay.
I think, isn't it?
No, I think you're just kind of being a jerk because you won't
No,
tell me
these
what
days,
you're
if I was
doing.
up to something, you know how easy it would be to have a camera hitting my hat and never see? Why would I walk around with all this in broad daylight if I'm up to something?
Well, thanks for making this an awkward conversation. Have a great day.
What better conversation? If I kiss your ass? What a fool. Accuse me of doing something wrong.
Yeah, first she says it's invasive to take pictures of her car in public. And then she says we must be up to doing something wrong. I don't know. I don't know what her issue is. Is it invasive or are we doing something wrong? Were you recording that?
Great. Oh, I got you.
Fuck. I don't know if you guys could see that on video, but I just had a dragonfly like this big launch on me like a heat-seeking missile. Just kept darting towards my face. I was trying to get away from it. Wow. But anyway, yeah, I don't know. It's not invasive. We're just taking some pictures out in public. I told her that's what we're doing. We're walking around town, taking some video, and she didn't like that answer. So I think it's invasive for her to start interrogating us on what we're doing on the public sidewalk, more so than it is for us to be taking pictures. But, yeah, I'm not scared of bugs either, like that. Bees flying around me, whatever. I don't care. But that thing was like dive bombing me, trying to fly up my nose or something. We got H&R Block here. See if you can see in there a little bit.
Huh?
You think you're coming out?
I see you guys filming the bank. Can I just ask what this is for?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I see you guys filming the bank. Can I just ask what this is for?
Oh, we're just out taking some pictures.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's just, you know, pictures of the bank, of the inside of the bank. That's kind of a security issue, so I just wanted to make sure
Okay.
and see what you guys were doing.
Okay.
All right.
All right. And what was your name?
My name is Kerry.
Okay, Kerry.
Yep, I'm the manager here.
All right. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
You just said that too, right?
What?
Call me in.
Calling us over here.
Call me in. What does it want me to do? Another one? Well, whoever's working in here is telling me to come in, so we'll go see what they got to say. Maybe there's a free pie on the horizon. How we doing?
Good.
Good.
You do First Amendment audits on YouTube, don't you?
How do you know?
I've seen a lot of your videos.
Have you? Right on.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
That's pretty cool.
Right on. I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
That's awesome. So how's the
Littleton.
got good food? What are we doing in Littleton?
Yeah.
traveling everywhere, man.
Cool.
Trying to hit the whole country.
There you go. Well,
Yeah.
welcome to Littleton, New Hampshire. Not
Yeah,
much to
thank you.
see,
Appreciate
but
that.
Four Knuckles at on Instagram or DFX Customs online. Make custom T-shirts, all that jazz.
There you go.
And Porfido's Deli, the place to be in Littleton.
That's how you say it,
Hot
Porfido.
fresh pizza.
Okay, cool. I was wondering.
Yeah.
Very
We
cool.
got a lot of good stuff here.
Awesome.
Everything in their case is pretty much made in the back here. And
Right on. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up in a little bit. Maybe I'll come back and grab some food.
okay, yeah.
Sounds good, guys.
Appreciate you guys. Thank
Appreciate you guys.
Absolutely.
Hey, you guys want a couple of stickers?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.
As soon as we leave, the young lady's gonna say to you, "What do they do?"
Yeah, right. Awesome,
So I'm sure
man.
you'll explain it to her.
Yeah, right. Cool
There's a
beans.
sticker in there for you too.
Sweet deal. Thanks for stopping by, guys.
Have a good day, folks. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
Yeah, I got some of mine too.
Sweet.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
How's it going? So Porfido's Market. Check it out if you're in Littleton.
Here's the post office and federal courthouse across the street from where we started here at the Bank of New Hampshire, right there. So we're going to take some video here, and this is probably the last stop on our tour, so don't click off just yet. You never know what's going to happen at the last place, but we'll see how it goes.
You must live here.
You want me to pose?
Yeah, I was gonna say I've seen you like 4 times.
I know, right?
Right on. It's a nice little town you have here.
Yeah, is that what you're doing? Coming to
Yeah,
town?
just checking where to travel. This is my son.
Yep. How you doing?
Good?
I've been here before and I'm retired. I'm driving around the country and I've got a lot to play.
Nice. Yeah. I've only been here a few months, but it's nice. It's cozy.
Where are you from originally?
Just south, about an hour and a half.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so not far, but it's different up past.
I hope not Brattleboro.
No.
Stay away from the sports shop in Brattleboro.
Yeah? My bad place?
Bad owner. Really.
Yeah.
Very strange dude.
Good to
And I
know.
don't say that about a lot of people because I'm a little strange myself.
Yeah, right? Well, keep that in mind. Hey, you guys have a good one.
Have a good one. If you haven't seen that video in Brattleboro, check it out. Weird place. Alright guys, you saw how that went here in Littleton, New Hampshire. Walking around downtown with cameras. Some mixed results. Some people have an issue with the cameras, others don't. I'd say most people really didn't try to give us a hard time or have an issue with the camera or anything. But as usual, of course, there were people who wanted to come question us or say we can't do that without permission, or that we got to tell them what we're doing and all that stuff. And yeah, nothing major here today. I think it's an entertaining video for you guys. I think you might enjoy it. And we got to see Littleton, New Hampshire, and so did you, the viewers. And it's pretty cool. So thank you all again for 120,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Next stop, 200. Really appreciate all your support. And you guys can let me know what you think of this video down in the comments below. If you want to contact any of the places we interacted with, contact info is always in the description as usual. There's a lot of good info for you guys down there in the description. You should definitely check it out. I got playlists for every state we've been to, and a map with all the different locations we've done videos at. You can check that out as well, link in the description. So that's about it for this one. So if you like these videos, you appreciate what we do, and you want to support us, best way to help out is to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out my Instagram and Twitter, and also the stickers. So, watching the Watchmen, out with Amagansett Press here in Littleton, New Hampshire. See you in the next one, guys. Out.